In this video, we're diving into how to manage your SuiteDash subscription and billing settings so you can make the most of this platform's features without any hassle. Whether you're new to SuiteDash or looking to refine your settings, stick around until the end, because we'll also talk about some alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your SuiteDash account. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on your profile. From there, select Account Settings, and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage all your subscription and billing details. Next, let's talk about managing your subscription plan. Under the Subscription section, you'll see the plan you're currently on. If you're looking to upgrade or downgrade your plan, you can easily select a new option from here. SuiteDash offers a variety of plans, but keep in mind that some of the lower tier ones may have limitations in terms of the number of users or features you can access. Now, let's move on to your billing settings. You'll find these in the Billing tab, which allows you to update your payment methods. Whether you're paying with a credit card or through other options, this page is where you'll make any necessary changes. One thing to note is that SuiteDash doesn't offer a lot of flexibility when it comes to payment methods, so if you rely on non-traditional payment methods, you might hit a wall here. Next up, managing invoices and payment history. This section keeps track of all your payments, so if you need to download past invoices for your records, this is where you'll do it. You can also check your payment history, so you're never left wondering what's been charged to your account. If you need to make any changes to your billing cycle, SuiteDash gives you the option to change your payment frequency. Whether you prefer monthly or yearly billing, you can adjust that here. However, it's worth noting that changing your cycle may require you to adjust your plan, depending on how long you've been using the service. Now let's talk about cancellations. SuiteDash doesn't make it the easiest to cancel your subscription, but it's still possible. To do this, you'll need to contact their support team to request cancellation. This is a downside of SuiteDash. Most competitors offer a more straightforward way to cancel online without needing to reach out to support. For the fourth thing, let's address billing errors. If you run into any issues with your payment or billing process, you'll need to contact SuiteDash's support team. While they are generally responsive, the lack of a live chat feature means that getting quick assistance can be a bit slow. Finally, let's quickly touch on the fact that while SuiteDash offers a solid set of features for managing clients and projects, its billing and subscription management system leaves a lot to be desired. If you're looking for more flexibility and a smoother experience, there are some alternatives that might work better for you. And in case you're wondering, I'll share the best alternative at the end of this video along with a special free trial offer for our viewers. Before we wrap up, remember, if you're looking for a simpler, more streamlined experience with better billing management and flexibility, SuiteDash may not be your best option. But if you're willing to deal with some quirks, it can still get the job done. To get the most out of SuiteDash, check out the link in the description for an exclusive extended free trial. Plus, we've got some amazing alternatives for you that also offer free trials and may be a better fit for managing your subscription and billing needs. Use our link to get the best benefits available exclusively for our viewers.